but you gotta be rich.
Jesus made it right.
Hey. Ziggy, I just bought myself a hella GTI. When I am a G, man, I feel so fly. So fly. Yeah, so fly.
Say he don't play.
Yeah, 16. Hand pop on the big strip. Niggas acting like celebs. What the fuck, nigga, who you mad at? My shit is real, nigga, Batman. I've been flowing like a madman. Yeah, I'm crazy on my side, yeah. Nigga, my homie, he knows, yeah. Bars cleaning on my closet. Said that before, yeah. Don't treat nigga, I don't know you. Pull up a face, I'ma show you. Take it back to the old you. Vest down like a Bible. I made it like game started. No group influencers been to blame. Check out with the whole gang. I just pull up with the dope chain. Hop pop, nigga, no name. Stand there with your gang. We don't need you, a snowman. Pretty sure, cause I know that. I rap more than I eat. Yeah, I trap more than I speak. Dope bars, no defeat. Who you talking to? Who me? I got better flows. Who me? And I flex the flow. Who me? I'm so hella goody. I change the topic to a conversation. Gang knows their nation. We pull up big while we are the innovation. Healing all the hating. You coming outside with no invitation. You gon' die like you're faking in the paper chase. Yeah. Ziggy, I just bought myself a hella GTI. When I am a G, man, I feel so fly. So fly. Yeah, so fly.
Young breeze on the beat, dropping bomb like I'm Osama bin Laden. Watch your girl, nigga, she be hitting my phone being a burden. She's never seen me, but she heard me, now she want me. The heartbreak kid, Shawn Michaels with the sweet chin music. Taking off the flame, I'll be back here, switching unit. Give me a beat, I'm not only gon' break your heart, I'm breaking records. Switching on me, acting like the famous. No, I'm not gon' pay for any feature or a picture. If I'm not gon' make any sense from having you on my record, shit don't make any sense. Man, I'm giving you a chance to be me on my hustle. Better be bitty body, honey, I'm no rhyming, just timing. What the time is still dining and sliding in DMs. I'm joining in lick, I'm taking no drugs, but I'm the highest in the room like I'm Travis Scott. Yes, I can mumble, just acting humble. Man, I don't fumble, then I don't stumble. Shit to gamble, niggas stumble. Man, the fable set him up on the table. Now back to punchlines. I be punching the lines, man, look at my feast. I got a couple niggas wanna bury, man, look at my list. You tryna be a hero, you end up with heroes. I'm talking Martin Luther, Nelson Mandela, Stephen Biko, Michael Jackson, man, I'm talking 6 feet under, yeah.
Ziggy, I just bought myself a hella GTI. When I am a G, man, I feel so fly.
Same time,
yeah, so fly.
So fly.
Don't tell him please.
So fly, everybody gon' forget your birth. Ain't no shit I connect is that. When the shit feeling like a funeral, cause of all my rhymes feeling like a eulogy. I see you got some nerves, but I study neurology. My eyes are windows to the soul, now I'm rapping like a computer. I'm a E to the power X, you can never change me. I'm an emulator, rebirth of a lyrical god. Man, I'm an avatar. Niggas acting like Thor, man, I'm an Avenger. Like a pot with no handle, you can never handle me. I'm the reason niggas holding their head saying, oh no, the truth is bitter. Like a lot of coffee in a cup of water. A man is troubled in paradise. Paramount tactics, beware of lyrical dominance. Just to summarize. I will body anybody on the chorus just to harmonize. No matter how hard I go on the lyrics, I'm never recognized. I got a ruthless aggression like Lucina. They can see me on the attitude adjustment. The game is full of work, wasn't just doing a man. Make my verses godly, like the 10 commandments. Hip hop is dead, this is music to be buried by. Hey.
Ziggy, I just bought myself a hella GTI. When I am a G, man, I feel so fly. So fly. Yeah, so fly.
Trap Slay, he don't play.